इंडिया के अगेंस्ट रेसिज्म के बारे में बहुत सारे वीडियोस देख रहा था और उसमें प्यूडीपाई का नाम बार बार आ रहा था। तो मुझे इतना कुछ पता नहीं था क्या चल रहा था, तो मैंने सैंडमैन का ये वीडियो देखा। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आपको भी दिखाया जाए, तो चलिए देखते हैं।
The story starts when a video of PewDiePie enjoying with his family is uploaded on Twitter, and a user complained that he is a living proof that you can be racist to 20% of world's population and still people will call you wholesome. Now this remark has a backstory of its own, which is 5 to 6 years old. At that time, PewDiePie was the most subscribed channel on YouTube, and he noticed that one channel from India was going to overtake him very soon. So he created a narrative of us versus them in front of the whole world by saying that he is an individual creator and T-Series is a mega corporation, and since YouTube is for individual creators, he should be the one to have the highest subscriber count. He then started to beg for subscribers so that he can be way ahead of T-Series, and soon it became a war between whole world and T-Series. But still T-Series was gaining subscribers way faster than PewDiePie, so out of desperation, PewDiePie drops a diss track against T-Series, where instead of trolling T-Series, he starts trolling Indians. But still he lost the war, and T-Series became the most subscribed channel in the world. Out of frustration, PewDiePie drops another diss track against T-Series, and again instead of trolling T-Series, he trolls Indians. These two videos made 99% of Indians disappointed in PewDiePie. The remaining 1% are those clowns that comment in every video saying, as an Indian, I don't feel offended. So these clowns are basically asking for West validation or white validation, and they want to taste something pink in their life at least once. Anyways, so this was the context of the comment, and it got a lot of likes. Another user commented on it saying that the actual lyrics are way worse than what he remembered, and the whole commentary Avengers jumped on them to protect their edgelord. So basically all of their videos have a similar starting, where they say that PewDiePie was enjoying with his family and minding his own business, and suddenly people started commenting on him, which is supposed to be a bad thing but is actually funny, because PewDiePie has always been that guy who makes fun of others and comments on them, and these comments are not abusive, they are just giving their opinions. Imagine being an Indian guy having no relation with T-Series or PewDiePie, seeing the bitch lasagna video. You would be like, bro, you have a beef with T-Series, right? So why are you talking about my defecation, bitch? And this is what we call karmo ka phal. You do something to someone, that similar thing will happen to you at least once in your lifetime. In English, it is karma. Another